again. See my new little shelf back there? There's a video on it somewhere in my thing. Anyway, if you just recently joined my channel, thanks for watching. Also, this is a short little video I want to make. On my channel below, there's a little listing of a bunch of channels I put up with people I talk to and some awesome channels. On the bottom, there's one called Famous Kaya's Toys. My daughter, she's 7 years old, and just to give her a good smile, if there's anybody out there that wants to join her channel, just join it for me. If you can, give me a big favor. She's keeps asking me, when am I going to get more subscribers? So if anybody out there knows any kids or anybody wants to join her channel, just go check her little videos out. We make all kinds of crazy toy videos. It's sponsored by my wallet. We don't make any money off it, but she likes doing the videos, so it's keeping her busy, keeps her dad busy, keeps us hanging out and doing stuff. So if you get a chance, go check out Famous Kaya's Toys. It's listed on my channel, and we have 28 videos. We've got 11 subs, and we just want to get, I don't care if I get one more every week or whatever, or if you join and unjoin and rejoin, it's up to you. But we're just hoping to get a couple more subs, because she just turned 7 and she's having fun. Any reason to buy more toys, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the folks listed below, and thanks for watching. And I hope everybody has good holidays, New Year's, and all that kind of stuff. Thanks. Toodles. Uh-oh. It's recording. There you go. You weirdo.